Welcome everyone, it's Neil here from 3D Tudor, back today with another amazing course that we've now added to our membership. So if you don't know what our membership is, we're basically uploading all of our courses, 40 plus courses, to YouTube for $9.99 per month, and you get access to all of them, including all of our geometry nodes, all of our textures, all of our shaders, all of our modular packs, the whole shebang. Now today's upload is our medieval castle. So in this one, you'll learn how to create a medieval world, all done in Unreal Engine 5. Now we've already uploaded our massive Blender animation course. We've already uploaded as well the Blender Beginners Bootcamp, as well as our Medieval Inn that's already on there as well. And finally, two other courses. One of them is our cookie course. So one of our latest courses is already on there. And the full lighting and compositing for Blender is already on there as well. Now, because this is the latest course of the Medieval Castle, I'm quickly just going to play you now the introduction to that course to whet your appetite. So I hope you enjoy this. Tomorrow, by the way, we're actually releasing another modular pack from another of our starving artists. So I hope you really enjoy that one, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Step into the world of your own creation with this groundbreaking course, Building Stunning Medieval Worlds with Unreal Engine 5 Modular Kitbash, instructed by Luke from 3D Tudor. Whether you are an inspiring game developer or just looking to learn Unreal Engine 5 for the fun of it, this course has something to offer. With over 250 modular assets, you can bring to life your medieval fantasy world filled with bustling towns, majestic castles, and intricate canal systems. In this course, you will learn the unique techniques needed to create stylized structures using modular assets and modeling modifiers. You will also learn to set up functional water system with directional water flow, submergible boat assets, and of course water wheels to bring your water body to life. To enhance the nature side of the world, you will learn how to populate your own world with animated nanite-enabled foliage. This course is the ultimate one-stop shop for mastering Unreal Engine 5. It covers a vast array of topics that will guide you through every aspect of game development. You will learn how to build entire towns and blacksmith shops with ease using the massive modular pack, which you will then be able to visualize it with smaller detail for some of the close-up shots as well. You will create not only your very own town, but the environment that surrounds it. You'll learn how to build lush forests, rolling hills, and other small details that make all the difference in world building. In addition, you'll learn how to create your own custom prop collections using blueprints to make your own world come to life. This includes iconic shop windows, moving flags, banners, market stalls, and cobbled streets. You will work on a castle composition to set up a medieval structure that looks amazing from a distance and up close. The course also covers the creation of a fully functional open-world system material, including distance-based blending, noise masking, and automatic material transitions. You will work with multiple preset camera angles to get the best composition out of your castle that looks great from any angle. Moreover, you will learn how to plan out and create large-scale cities on the go. You will work with modeling mode to deform a collection of modular assets, such as merging bridge pieces and bending bridges using Curve Deformer. By the end of the course, you'll be able to create your own functional medieval world and immerse yourself and the player in a world of medieval fantasy. You can choose to build a small village or an entire city, and the possibilities are endless. Join me on an awe-inspiring journey through the limitless world of Unreal Engine 5 and unlock your creativity in ways you've never thought possible.